Alright everyone, today we will be testing the EST Genesis remote strobe. If you look through the grill, there is no horn. I don't know why they still have the grill right there. That means it's multi-candela. That means it is set on 30 candela, which it's not going to be too bright. So, I do have the air conditioner turned off so you hear this remote strobe better, but it's not a horn strobe. So, here we go. It's pretty bright. You can hear the capacitor in there. Let's turn off the lights. That's pretty bright though. It's pretty bright with the lights off. 30 candela is also too bright. Very well, too. Well, there you have it. The EST Genesis remote strobe tested. And obviously, it kind of looks like a nightlight almost, except that you don't have a loud noise. The flush mount strobe is very bright, so I hope you all enjoyed this fire alarm test. Fire alarm test 4, my first remote strobe. I think it was much better than my Spectre Alert Advanced remote strobe that I tested in the last video. So, that's it, and thanks for watching. Bye. Oops, I said the wrong thing, guys. I meant horn strobe. I meant horn strobe in the last video. So, I didn't mean to say the wrong thing, but my Spectre Alert Advanced was very loud in the last video. So that's it, and thanks for watching.